Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you the Life is Better When You Dance blanket. I was sent this item to test out and share my experience about it. So let's get it opened up and I'll show you how it turned out. This blanket is made of polyester and flannel with ultra fine, high quality and lightweight material. It is very soft and comfortable, which makes it great for all ages. It also has a unique and sophisticated design, which gives a nice pop of color to your home. The blanket comes in a few different colors and designs, so you can pick which option works best for you. The one I have here is the 50 inches by 40 inches Life is Better When You Dance design. My daughter was super excited to start using this blanket, so we went outside to play as she danced around in her new pink ballet blanket. It is also a good size to be able to snuggle up while reading your favorite book on the couch as well. Overall, it is a really fun blanket to have. Not only is it soft and comfortable, but it also can be used for all kinds of purposes, such as for the bedroom, living room, dormitory room, or even to take camping. If you are looking for a gift for birthdays, Christmas, or any other special occasion for dancers or dance lovers in your life, you don't want to miss out on this.